What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back in another video. And today we're looking at another active noise cancelling earbuds. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit the notification bell so you can notify of next videos to come of tips and tricks on your Android and iPhone, and unboxing just like this one. Check out merch below at 1130.ca. Make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and look at this earbuds. So basically this is from Mobvoi. Basically it's a active noise cancelling, it says hi-fi sound as well, earbuds. Fully wireless Bluetooth 5.0. So let's go ahead and unbox this and see how well it does. There you go. Let's go ahead and grab our handy knife here. Of course, we've been unboxing a bunch of active noise cancelling headphones nowadays. Let me know what you think down in the comments below of this one. Let me know in the comments below as well if you want me to do a comparison on which one is the best. Again, it says here Mobvoi. Let's take it out. There you go. Very nice. Let's peel this off. There you go. Let's put that on the side for now. Take this out. Now let's look at what we got here. Some literature and some cable. There you go. USB-C, that's good. Giving us that cable as well. Bunch of literature and quick guide. There you go. Tech watch as well. There you go. A bunch of stickers that you can use. That's good. Let's put that on the side for now. What else do we have in here? And a bunch of replacement earbuds, ear tips. That's pretty good. Just going everywhere, man. There you go. Put those on the side for now. So here we go. Let's open up the Mobvoi. What do you guys think of that? In my opinion, that's very thick here, but it does have a very sleek design, so I don't mind that. Let's take out the other one. Pretty much a big style of a AirPods here, right? It does have a good click. There you go. Not bad. The tips here, as you can see, you can replace the whole thing. So for example, you don't want this, you could take this out and replace it with another one. So for example, whatever fits in your ear, you just put that on. It does have a left and right part there, so put this back and see how well it fits my ears. So there you go. Let's go ahead and fit this in our ears now. Boom. And boom. There you go. What do you guys think of that? Let's go ahead and pair this to our phones. Let's go to Bluetooth and then go all the way down. Mobvoi earbuds A and C. That's pretty good. And you'll have a little doo-doo. It's a good sound actually. I like that. It's pretty good. Let's test out a few sounds here. Let's go to YouTube here. Go to our handy bass boosting. There you go. Same sounds right here. Full blast right now. It does have a bit of thump, so we're just going to put it down to halfway. There you go. That's a bit of a halfway right there. If we bring it up to 3/4 right there. See how well it goes now with full blast. See if it muffles out, right? Some of these cheap earbuds, yeah, they won't be able to handle them. So let's go ahead and try this out on our ears again and see if it can handle them. So far right now, the sounds are complete. There's nothing missing or anything like that. The earbuds are definitely handling it, so that's pretty good. Modes here apparently has a pass-through mode. There's 3 modes on this. There's the noise cancelling, which is the normal mode. The second one is the active noise cancelling, which is the quiet mode. And the other one is what they call is sound pass-through mode. So that's pretty good. I like how these earbuds are doing their best to have these features with this. So we're just gonna try it out. So it says here that you can press and hold for 2 seconds for switch mode. So let's go ahead and try that out. So right now, this is the sound pass-through. No, oh, yes, this is pretty weird. So basically, I'm hearing myself talk, which is pretty good. Yeah, so this is what you would use if you are trying to talk to someone. So all you need to do is just hold it for 2 seconds, and you'll be able to change modes when you need to. So the thing is, right now we're in sound pass-through mode, and I think it does very well at it. It does have a little bit of a muffle, but you can understand everything that you say. I like how this works. I don't know how well it does on... Yeah, I'm able to hear everything, so it's pretty good. This is the best part of this. Having a sound pass-through mode is really good when you are trying to talk to someone, and when you are you don't want to take off your earbuds while you are talking to someone. That's pretty good. And now let's try out the active noise cancelling mode. Again, hold 2 seconds. There you go. We are in quiet mode now. So that's pretty good. This is basically very muffled compared to before. Like this. Yeah, it takes less sound, so that's pretty good. I'm not sure if this is fully great because of the ear tips that they give us. It does do a good job at it, but I don't think it's that good compared to like an AirPods Pro or something like that. Other thing is the phone/music control. Now let's test out a few controls here. So here we go. So double tap to either side to play and pause music. So let's go ahead and try that. Yeah, it plays and pause, so that's pretty good. Let's try on this side now. So there you go. When you double tap on each side, doesn't matter where you do it, it'll play and pause the music. So that's pretty good. So let's try out the triple click on the right side to skip the music. Let's go ahead and try that out right now. There you go. It was able to skip the music. Let's try that again. There you go. It's able to skip the music again. Now you could do the exact same thing by double tapping on either side to pick up a call, or you can press and hold to either side for 2 seconds to end or reject a call. So that's pretty good. The other thing is the voice assistance. So bringing up Siri. To bring up Siri or Google Assistant wherever it's paired to, what you'll need to do is triple tap on the left side while wearing both earbuds. When you are wearing single earbud, what you need to do is triple tap on the left or the right earbuds, because the other feature that this earbuds has is using it individually. We're going to test that out later on and show you what we mean by that. But right now we're going to go ahead and bring up Siri. Here we go. There you go. It brought up Siri, so that's pretty good. Now let's test out the earbuds as individuals. So let's take out the left side right here. Let's put it back. There you go. Now you'll be able to use just the right side. Now let's switch it up. As you could see there, the earbuds on the left side is not working anymore as soon as you put it inside the case. So that's pretty good. I like that feature as well. I like how they have that. When you have it in the case, it won't play in your pocket or anything like that. So that's pretty good. Now let's switch out the earbuds. Let's put in our left side, and then let's put the right side back. There you go. Now the music is on my left side. Now let's see if the right side is working. There's no green light, so I guess it's not working. Yeah, no music coming out of it. So that's pretty good. There you go. And as soon as you put both in, they'll both start playing together. That's pretty good. I also like how they have an LED light on the side here, which tells you what mode it's on. So the blue light is when it's flashing, it's pairing. When it's red, then it's charging. When the red light is off, then the charging is finished. So that's pretty good. The case as well has LED light inside. So basically when it's flashing white light, it's charging, and when the white light is on, when it's solid, then charging is finished, or when it's turned on, right? So that's pretty good. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on the Mobvoi active noise cancelling earbuds. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit that notification bell so you can notify of next videos to come. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below as well. I definitely recommend this for the people who wants to check them out. Make sure to hit that like button below. I hope I was able to help you. I really appreciate you guys watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Stay safe out there. Peace.